Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 update error solved. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Troubleshoot. Click Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Second method is, type services in Windows search bar. Open Windows Update Service. Select Automatic, click Start the service, click Apply, click OK. Click Restart the service. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net space, stop space, WUAU serve. Type net space, stop space, bits. Type net space, stop space, crypt svc. Type ren space, /lan /windows software distribution space, software distribution.old. Type ren space, /lan /windows system32 /catro2 space, catro2.old. Type net space, start space, WUAU serve. Type net space, start space, bits. Type net space, start space, crypt svc. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc space, /scano. Type dism space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 10 download in browser search bar. Click download Windows 10 disk image. Click download tool now. Click accept. Check upgrade this PC now, click next. Check install Windows and keep personal files and apps, click install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.